You're watching Cruise Life TV with Greg and Michelle.
Hey, Michelle, look what we got. We got a box. And this is going to be a box opening. But listen, let's take a drink first. And this video is brought to you by the Carnival Cruise Addicts. Cheers to Carnival Cruise Addicts. And I'm wearing the shirt. I love the shirt. I love orange. And,
I love them.
Yes, I love them too. Anyway, so Michelle, we got a box today.
We got a box.
We got a box. Can you guess from who?
Is it from the Carnival?
Can you? No, it's not from the Carnival Cruise Addicts.
Is it from you?
No.
Who is it from?
It's from Carnival.
What?
Carnival sent us a box. I feel.
What?
Hold on a second. Let me.
Yeah.
I feel mighty short. There we go.
Now I feel mighty short.
Need to see who this sponsor is. Do I need to duck down now? All right. Anyway, so
why is Carnival sending us a box?
We're gonna do an opening.
Okay.
Want to do it?
Yes, I want to.
Okay. So this was unscripted. It came in the mail, like, I don't know, not too long ago. We figured, you know what? Let's post it.
Okay.
You may have the honors.
Okay. I'm excited.
Don't cut yourself. Be careful.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, that's it.
That's it. Okay.
All right. So.
Woo! Whoa.
Oh, no.
Whoa,
Not
whoa.
my drink. Where's your drink?
Right. Oh, right here.
Let's see what we got.
What is it? Oh, yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, look what we have.
Exciting.
Get rid of those.
Oh my
Look at
gosh.
this.
Yay. Oh
now,
my gosh.
Look, now we gotta change hats.
We gotta change hats. Where's
Look
the
at
front?
this.
Where's the back? That's the back.
Oh. What is this? Is this?
Look at it. How does it look?
No, that doesn't
Not
work.
the right thing.
No, look at this. This is awesome.
Oh.
This is for our Jubilee cruise in October.
Howdy.
Howdy, howdy.
I think mine looks good.
Well, mine don't look good. Is mine on backwards?
Maybe. Try it.
I don't know. Which is the front?
Oh, it just might be a
This
little
is
warped.
so cool.
I liked it. I like it. I like it a lot.
We're ready for the Jubilee.
Stars. Look at the stars
Oh,
on there.
I love it. Okay.
Look at this. Oh, we got more hats. We got more hats.
We got more hats.
Okay, let's try these on.
Ah, look at this.
Ready?
I don't know. I like this.
What do you think? How's it look?
Oh, I love it.
How's it look?
We are going to the Jubilee in October.
Woo! So excited. Okay.
You
What
got
else we got? What else we got?
Let's see here. Thank you, Carnival. Carnival. I don't know, what is this?
Well, open it.
Yeah.
Open it. I think these are shorts.
What?
These are your shorts.
Oh,
Oh, those are nice.
they look kind of big.
Hmm.
Oh,
Well,
no,
are they
that's,
mediums?
maybe that's what the screen is.
They're mediums.
Oh, you know, I needed black shorts
They're mediums.
for a costume.
They look good. They look comfy. They feel comfy. What else we got? What else we got?
What are these things?
Are these the cookie cutters? Oh, these are cookie cutters and stamps. How fun. We can make little cookies.
Little Carnival cookies.
Yay.
All right, with granddaughter. That's cool. All right, what is this one?
Oh, this looks like a jacket. I think this is a jacket for you. Let's see. How do I open? Ain't we got fun?
Yeah, we just watched the video and posted.
Ain't we got fun? Da, da, da.
Oh wow, look at that.
Woo, look at this.
Oh, that'd be great for
Oh my
Alaska.
gosh, for Alaska.
look at that. Venecia.
Ooh, look. Oh, it has the Venetia on the front. Look,
Yeah.
it has the little thing on the back too.
Oh, very
You can only
nice.
see when the hood's up.
Italian style.
Italian style. Try it on. Hey, we have fun. What's this? Is this a yoga mat? What is this?
It looks like a yoga mat. Oh, you know what that is? That's a surprise. We can't show
I'm
that.
going to show that.
Yeah, we can't say what that
Oh,
is.
look at this. You got to like have you
Model it?
yes. Oh my gosh, that
Wait,
looks
hold
amazing.
on. I gotta do like some a little bit of music maestro. Hold on a second here. Music maestro. All right, that's cool. So that's how we're unboxing. Thanks everybody for watching.
Thanks for watching.
We love you all.
And remember, every cruise is another adventure.